Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please come in. What happened?
Doctor, I feel I'm not feeling very well these days.
Tell me some symptoms.
I feel very tired and I have headache and I can't sleep properly.
Oh, since when do you have problem like this?
Almost 2 weeks.
Oh, let me ask some question to you. Do you eat unhealthy food?
Not really, but I most eat burger, cold drink, etc.
Mm. Okay. Do you use phone?
Yes, I am using phone a lot.
How much?
Almost 7 to 6 hours every day.
Oh, I found the problem. Too much screen time and eat unhealthy food becoming you sick.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, don't worry. If you continue this like this, your health may become very bad.
Oh, what should I do? What should I do?
You can follow the healthy routine, sleep on time,
Okay.
and second is eat healthy food.
No more junk food.
Yes, and do exercise every day.
It sounds very difficult.
Being healthy is better than being sick.
You are right, doctor.
And the last is reduce your screen time and spend your time with family and playing and reading.
All right, doctor. Do I need medicine?
Yes, you need some special medicine.
Really?
Yes, sleep on time, exercise every day, and eat healthy food.
Okay. That's not medicine, doctor.
Sometimes good habits are better than medicine.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. I will take care of my health.
Very good. Remember that health is greatest wealth.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
Thank you.